In my last video, I sketched the first page of my travel sketchbook, and today I want to show the next few pages I did during my recent trip to Goa. I decided to start a travel sketchbook as I've never owned one before. I went with the goal of sketching at least one page outdoors, outside of my comfort zone, and that's what I did. For the rest of them, I took pictures of things and places that I wanted to draw and finished them at the place that I was staying in. This is from my last video. I wanted to draw something nice for the first page, so I did this at home. We were sitting in this empty bar looking out the window, and this was my view. A traditional Goan architecture with its vibrant colors and intricate details. I started to sketch on the spot, and soon it reminded me why I absolutely despise perspective. So I left it and later gave it a second try because I could see a few mistakes with the vanishing point and stuff. The second attempt was better, it's passable. I can be happy with it for now. This place was so crowded. I felt guilty about sitting there and sketching while other people were standing waiting for a table. I rushed through this one and I'm happy I managed to add a few details here and there. I don't do portraits much. It's kind of fun to show people their drawing, to show them how I see them. The response is almost always unexpected. I think we all have an image of ourselves in our heads, and it's always interesting to see how others see you. Some gesture drawing of my friend's dog. Her name is Cookie. If I have to sum it up, sketching while traveling sometimes means choosing between a conversation with friends, an afternoon nap, or sitting alone to sketch. If you don't mind spending more time drawing while traveling, travel sketchbook can be great. It's easier to fill up the pages as they are not supposed to be detailed or finished. Sometimes just a few minutes to doodle something is enough. These pages are more like memories, like a scrapbook. They don't have to be perfect, and that's the beauty of it. And if you want a better looking sketchbook, you have the excuse of staying receipts, tickets to places, flight tickets, anything and everything that you have collected in your trip. This was near the place I was staying at, Dogs on the Road. Apparently, people left dogs here because someone in the neighborhood takes care of dogs. I guess the place was full, so these dogs ended up at the street. Maybe if I had gone on a trip that lasted longer than 2 days, I could have drawn more, or possibly filled an entire book. I think drawing while on a bus, train, or a flight is the best time because you're expected to sit in one place. I'm glad I was able to finish a few pages this time, although I prefer adding a lot of details, which I wasn't able to do because of time and place. At least I got over the discomfort of drawing outside around people, and honestly, nobody cares. And it feels so good to look at these pages now, and I feel I'm right back where I was a week ago. To anyone out there hesitating to start a travel sketchbook, just start. It doesn't have to be a work of art. I know that mine isn't. It just has to be yours. Your stories, your moments, your memories. This right here, this is my journey, imperfections and all.